good. What's going on, guys? Your boy Jordan. I'm riding the Tesla, my boy's Tesla. We going to, what are we doing right now? We're going shopping?
We're going shopping.
We're going shopping for my boy Corey's birthday tonight. It's gonna be lit. What is this video about again? Oh yeah, this is for, we're doing an apartment tour. So before we do the apartment tour, I'm gonna give you guys a little Tesla tour. Let's go ahead, let's see how fast this thing goes.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit, give a reaction, give a reaction. Oh. This shit's quick, bro, it's quick. Here we go. Oh shit. Alright, chill. Alright, I'll see you guys at the apartment tour. We're gonna give you a little tour of the apartment today. After the whole mall, it's a daily vlog. I see we are pulling up in the garage, about to park. We just got back from shopping pretty much. Here's our designated parking spot right here. And it's perfect parking, as always. Alright, let's welcome you guys to the apartment tour. Here we are in Orange County, pretty much. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys an apartment tour. This is the garage. We're gonna go inside. And let's go check out the courtyard first, so let's do that. Where it's at today, I'm gonna show you guys the apartment tour. I'm gonna give you guys the pricing, the breakdown, what the room looks like, how big it is. It's nice. So here we have the courtyard, and this is actually my first time here. We come over here, we'll go take a walk through, and we'll check out the view. So every single night, we can actually hear Disneyland fireworks over there. So this is what the view looks like. It's actually really nice during sunset. So yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, we're good with that. Now let's go check out the apartment. All right, guys, so this is the apartment, 224, pull up, visit. This is where everything happens, the office, the room, the bachelor's pad. No, I'm just kidding. Low-key, no. Oh, shit, try this up. All right, guys, so let me turn on the lights. Let me turn on the freaking lights. What do you guys think? First off, when we walk into our left, we got the kitchen, everything here, all the food. We are chefs. I mean, I'm chefing, I'm cooking up in this place, man. We are cooking some things up, all right? So we got a whole lot of Gatorade because we got to stay hydrated, a lot of water. Pink dragon fruits, special edition. You only see these on Fruit Ninja. And we got sausage, eggs, milk. Is there milk in there this time? Oh, okay, there's milk. And that's all we got in the fridge. all the food's on here though. The food's right here. We got fish and stuff and some drinks. So that's what we got going on here at the kitchen. Whole lot of cooking in there, or not. This thing's kind of annoying. I wish this wasn't here. Kind of takes up room. So this is where all the shoes go. I take off my shoes, Asian household, including the cameraman. And then as we go over here, guys, we got the guest room. So if you guys, anyone want to pull up, this is gonna be your bed. You guys have a TV as well. And then we got the guest bathroom over here with the vanity mirror. So that's really cool. I like that right there. That's nice. All right, cool. It comes with a washer and dryer, which I gotta actually move my stuff out. And it's like a little storage room here, not much going on. I think what you guys are really looking for is the living room, guys. So the living room is cool because it came with the couch, it came with the TV, it came with the Xbox. We brought our own Nintendo Switch though, so yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. It's pretty lit, pretty bright, right? Pretty cool. And then here is the master bedroom. This is where all the work happens, the magic stuff. So if you guys follow me, we got right in here. Check this out. I should have made my bed, huh? I didn't make my bed. Oh shoot. So yeah, when I'm trying to set the mood, I turn on my little light thing. It's kind of bright, but yeah. So this is the bed. I just got this mattress. It's pretty comfortable. Yeah, it's a good test there. And then this is the office, guys. This is pretty much the office. You know, you work hard if your table stands, right? It's not on right now. So I got your stuff anyways. Oh, we got the nice Herman Miller chair, guys. So this is such a good chair. I had a chair before. My back was hurting. So I got this, and now I got full back support. Check it out. Cool, right? And then we got a standing mat, so you know if I'm trying to like work and get my creative flow going instead of sitting all the time, I got a little standing mat. It helps. I can like stand 3 times longer. So yeah, guys. I mean, this is this is my computer. This is where I work at. Emails. Got my little webcam. This is the office, guys. Here's a speaker. So every time I'm making videos through my computer, this is where it's at. My blue light blocking glasses. You know what I'm saying? Got a daily journal that I write my goals, write my to-do things. Every time I got things to do, I write it down here. And yeah, I've been filming it here. We got tripods, we got the light thing. Over here, we got like a little storage area. I don't know, I don't really use it, but that's what that looks like. I have like, I don't think I have anything in these. I forgot I even had these, look, there's nothing in there. So we got a whole lot of storage.
What the fuck is that?
It's candle wax, candle wax.
Oh, okay, all right, it better be candle wax.
I don't know how it got out. I don't know. This over here is my walk-in closet. I've never had a walk-in closet. Come on in, walk in. You know, this is probably this is the size of my old room. So this, yeah, imagine this. This is the size of my old room. So this is where it all happened, guys. The size of this. And now we leveled up, boys.
You Harry Potter haven't had it.
Yeah, we leveled up for sure. Here's the bathroom. Oh, it turns on automatically. Kind of freaky, because in the middle of the night, it just turns on automatically. Oh yeah, this is the bathroom. Cool little vanity mirror. Oh, let me turn this on. So this is my favorite thing right there. You know what I mean? So this is where all the photos go down and stuff. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what. Oh yeah, I forgot. The balcony. The most important part. My favorite part of the place that I've only used probably twice is the balcony. So we go through the balcony out this way. There's a door right here. You can come out. Then there's the balcony. So
you fucking mattress.
No, it's cool. So when we moved in here, my place already had a mattress, but I slept on it for like a week and my body started hurting. So I woke up, I bought a new mattress, and we got rid of the old mattress. So don't mind if there's a mattress right there. That explains everything. So this is the balcony, guys. You know? And yeah, this is the view. So if you come over here, here's what the views look like. So at night, you can see Disneyland fireworks from over there. So let me turn that down. Over there, Disneyland fireworks, guys. Overall, it's pretty quiet. Here's the cameraman. Oh, by the way, it's his birthday tomorrow.
Oh shit.
So comment happy birthday in the comment section. Show some love to Corey. That's his birthday tomorrow. And so we going up tonight.
City boys up.
City boys are up. All right, guys. So I think we're good with the cameraman there. So as far as pricing, guys, we'll close this little price. Pretty warm today. It's pretty warm today. Oh, my favorite part, actually, the cool thing about this place, so the utilities are included. So what I do is I got the AC on 24/7, so boom, 68 degrees, perfect. I like it nice and cold. Let me see what else I got to show you guys. Yeah, guys, this is a quick little 360 around the apartment. Let me just put you guys right on this chair over here, and then we'll talk about some breakdowns, huh? All right, guys, so yeah, this is the apartment tour, and we're actually moving at the end of this month. We're gonna be moving to another apartment because it's gonna be brand new, just newly constructed, and it's gonna have a pool and a jacuzzi. We're also gonna have a wraparound balcony, so it's gonna be the penthouse. So this is more of a temporary spot, but I thought I'd just show you guys the tour anyways, just so you guys can kind of get a feel for what apartments in Orange County looks like in Westminster, where we're at. So as far as breakdown, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. I believe this is, Corey, is this 1,200 square feet?
Yeah.
It's about 1,200 square feet. I think it's more like 1,250. 1,250 square feet for this whole place. I mean, it's pretty spacious, not too bad. It's a lot better than what I had before, which was a tiny like 150, 250 square foot room in my mama's house. So this is definitely a big upgrade. But what we paid for this is, what are we paying? We paid $3,200 a month, and it includes utilities. Now, it's interesting because usually when you rent out apartments, it's gonna be like a 12-month like minimum lease, you know what I mean? But in our situation, we got to actually sublease this place, which is why it came with this couch, it came with the TV, it came with the mattress and stuff like that. But we subleased it, so the previous owner still owns this place. I think she like went to like Vietnam or a different country or vacation, whatever it is, but she's gonna come back. So we really just subleased it, staying here for 2 months. So we stayed here for July and August. And so by the end of August, we're moving out, and that's when the new apartment is gonna open, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. So if you guys want me to make a video on that penthouse, if you guys think this is nice, I mean, this is pretty nice, pretty decent, but the next place that we're moving into is going to be a penthouse. If you guys want me to do a tour of that, you guys are gonna wanna see that for sure. It's gonna be a penthouse with a wraparound balcony. We're gonna be at the top floor and have the most amazing view. So drop a thumbs up on this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to make a tour on that next month, right? Or do it for this video, but we're gonna be making that change next month, or moving into a new place next month. So I'll do a whole apartment tour on that, or penthouse tour I should say. Do the breakdown, pricing breakdown, show you guys what it looks like, how my office looks. I think this place is pretty decent for what it is. $3,200 a month with utilities. It's a nice quiet place. We got our own parking spots. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. It's your boy Jordan. Drop a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Peace.